If you think the biggest impact of AI is ChatGPT or Claude writing your emails, you are not seeing the real game. A $600 billion handshake in Saudi Arabia is about to change your career and you don't even know about it. This isn't about oil anymore. It's about data and compute power. AI-enabled misinformation is already a big problem and it will just escalate further in the coming months and years. So if you're a cybersecurity professional or a business leader, how are you truly leveraging AI, understanding both the sides of the coin before it's too late or before regulation hits you? What if I told you that a $600 billion handshake in Saudi Arabia is about to change your career and you don't even know about it? Just last month, Trump flew into Riyadh with the tech elite, Sam Altman, Elon Musk, Jensen Huang, the who's who of the Silicon Valley, and walked out with the deal that includes more than $80 billion in AI, robotics, and cloud infrastructure. This wasn't just business, it was empire building. It was a global AI power play. And while countries and companies are securing their spot at the table, most professionals are still wondering if AI is going to take their job. Let me be blunt. If you think the biggest impact of AI is ChatGPT or Claude writing your emails, you are not seeing the real game or the flip side of it. So hi, I'm Monica, a hacker turned CISO, an AI strategist, and someone who's helped hundreds of professionals and companies pivot into this new world. In this video, I'm going to break down 3 key shifts that are shaping the global AI power play. I'll break them down into 3 different parts and how they are already rewriting your career, your business model, and the entire job market. So from AI-enabled or AI-powered fraud detection systems to startup team of 10 outpacing corporations of tens of thousands, this isn't coming. This is happening right now. Let's get right into it. So here's what's really happening. While you're debating whether AI will replace you, there are currently 3.5 million unfilled cybersecurity jobs right now as we speak. The cybersecurity field is growing 267% faster than the national average. 82% of cybersecurity professionals say that AI is already boosting their job efficiency. That's still a part of the picture, because on the other hand, it's getting harder to get in. We're also seeing massive layoffs by companies in tens of thousands, which they're putting on quote unquote AI. So the question isn't whether AI will impact your career. The question is, are you ready as and when AI does that? Part 1, the global AI landscape. So let's start with the global AI landscape and how that is shifting, right? Here are 3 game-changing moves that just happened last month. Number 1, the Middle East rising as an AI superpower, right? Trump didn't just visit Saudi Arabia, he opened the floodgates to the AI chips. The US agreed to shipping 500,000, I think, cutting-edge AI processors annually to Gulf states. On the other hand, Saudi Arabia also launched Humane, a multi-billion-dollar AI company with massive data center projects that were planned around it. This isn't about oil anymore. It's about data and compute power. While this is happening at country level, it is reshaping the dynamics and power play across companies and eventually will impact the workforce. So those who control it will write the rules, but those who secure it will own the future. Number 2, the AI arms race is already gone global. The tech giants are also getting in because they don't want to be left behind. Nvidia and AMD signed massive agreements to supply AI chips for these Middle East projects over the next 5 years. But here's the kicker. This creates obviously a bulwark against China's AI dominance. So everything right now is a national power play, even through companies. Every major tech company is now kind of picking sides in this global AI chess. And number 3, government policy is becoming your career catalyst. Whether you like it or not, but reversing the chip restrictions has completely changed the game. When governments move this fast on AI policy, it creates massive opportunities for professionals who understand the intersection of technology, security, and geopolitics. Because on the other hand, as it is being left unregulated, it will create massive security, safety, and ethical issues. So what does that mean for you? The companies building these AI systems need cybersecurity, AI governance, and responsible AI, and professionals who understand both the sides of the technology, the ethics, and the global landscape. And those who do that will stand out. Which brings me to the next part two, business transformation through AI. So while world leaders are making trillion-dollar bets, right, smart businesses are already transforming, whether it's fintech, healthcare, manufacturing, you name it. The problem is, though, and here's a reality check, 93% of these businesses fear AI attacks. Yet 69% see AI as their solution to their security problems. This contradiction is already creating massive opportunities. Companies need professionals who can bridge the gap. For every cyber and business leader, you need to know about these three business transformations happening right now. One, AI powered threat detection, right? 80% of companies using AI in cybersecurity say that it finds hidden threats they missed. So AI does that. 66% say it predicts new attacks before they even happen. Number two, automated response systems. We're going to see a massive influx of use of AI in incident response. By 2026, 40% of development teams will use AI based auto remediation. But here's the catch, right? Only 29% of cybersecurity teams trust AI to act independently. Because how much can AI actually be involved in decision making is still up for questioning. Number three, hybrid human AI teams. So companies are spending 15% more on application and data security to handle generative AI risks, which means they need professionals who can manage these hybrid systems. Data and compute is the new oil. So the business model shift is already happening. So while companies are adding AI to already existing processes, not many are focusing on AI governance pillars or responsible AI or actually securing AI. They are rebuilding entire business model around AI capabilities without much consideration for AI risks. This creates new roles, new challenges, and new career paths for professionals who understand both the opportunities but also the risks. Business and security leaders will no longer have the luxury of not addressing AI governance or being inconsistent about it as AI gets woven into business operations in day to day, which is already happening right now. Which brings me to part three, AI risks and ethical considerations. But here's where it gets interesting and where your expertise becomes truly invaluable, the trust gap. So only 10% of security analysts trust AI to operate autonomously. Even executives are cautious, only 38% feel comfortable letting AI handle cyber defense independently. This trust gap is your opportunity. Here are five critical challenges creating career opportunities right now. Critical challenges in terms of AI risks. Let's look at each one of them, okay? Number one, AI bias in security systems. Now, AI systems, the underlying algorithms, and data can all have blind spots and biases that are already seeped into it, right? Companies need professionals who can identify and fix these biases or prevent them from getting placed into the algorithms or in the model itself. Number two, data protection versus security. So, as AI systems become or process more data, create more data, and spit out even more synthetic data, you will need to balance data protection, data validity, and security. So, both regulatory and cyber risk expertise for securing AI and data it works on, as well as defending AI systems, will help you not only stand out, but become truly sought after as we start seeing more AI risks and attacks on AI systems. Number three, accountability in AI decisions. AI is already being used in some form of decision making, right? Whether it's assisting decision making or autonomous decision making, such as approving or denying someone's loan. When an AI system makes a decision that goes wrong, who's accountable? Is it the CEO, the business leader, the AI developer, the AI itself, or you as a consumer, or you as a business professional? So companies basically need frameworks, policies, and professionals who understand this complexity. Number four, transparency and explainability. AI are black boxes. while they make decision to varying degrees, they aren't really good at explaining how they came to that decision. Companies need to explain how AI system makes decisions or comes to that decision, especially in regulated industries, and it'll be more and more important as we go forward. This is what I call as explainable AI. This requires specialists who can bridge technical complexity with clear communication. Number five, AI generated misinformation. So, deepfake is not new to you anymore. AI generated content becomes more and more sophisticated, separating true from fake, and that becomes even harder. Models like GAN or generative adversarial networks are getting better at both detecting but also creating even more believable and inseparable deepfakes. AI enabled misinformation is already a big problem and it will just escalate further in the coming months and years. Organizations need experts who can detect, prevent, and respond to AI powered misinformation attacks, or ensure that they're able to detect it or not be able to build or deep fakes that is not allowed in their systems. So, how do you position yourself in this transformation that's happening at all these levels, all this part one, part two, part three that I went through? So, here's your roadmap. If you're a cybersecurity professional, these are the skills that you need to build right now. AI ML security fundamentals. Start with the basics. Prompt engineering for security tools. So understanding how to use Gen AI or LLMs particularly to basically build pattern detection and correlation for better incident management. Or AI risk assessment and management. So understanding AI risks and advising on managing them. Fourth, AI readiness. So how to help business get AI ready before they jump on the bandwagon while they've already jumped on the bandwagon, right? Which is, you gotta do it. And number five, responsible AI. How to build AI systems that are ethical, transparent, explainable, secure, safe, and free of bias or discrimination. Here are the new career paths that are opening up today for you: AI security architect, or AI ethics officer in cybersecurity, or regulatory compliance manager for AI systems. And if you're a business leader, here are some of the strategic moves that you should be making right now. Audit your current AI exposure and risks, or have it audited, right? Build AI governance framework right now for your organization before regulation hits. Invest in upskilling your team on AI security, on AI risks, on AI usage. And here's your competitive advantage. Instead of debating whether AI is good or bad, because reality is it's both. And it depends on how you use it, how you skill up. So basically, what you need to do is skill up and build expertise in understanding and managing AI risks, implementing secure, safe, and ethical AI, and leveraging AI opportunities in cybersecurity. This positions you as indispensable in this new economy of AI. So, if you're a cybersecurity professional or a business leader, how are you truly leveraging AI, understanding both the sides of the coin before it's too late or before regulation hits you? That's all for today. This is Monica signing off.